Alright, this is a test. This is a test of the emergency locking, accidental locking situation, or the purposefully desired locking situation. I am running. Actually, engine just kicked on due to the cold. Alright, I want to leave my car running purposely. I'm going to get out. I'm not going to hit the lock. I'm going to go for the master lock. Nope, not going to let me do it. Now, did it lock the rest of the doors though? It unlocked. They may have already been unlocked, but I heard all the locks go for unlock. So, master lock is not going to let me lock it in. Okay. That's because I could tell there was a passenger in the car, not because the key was in the car, probably. Now let's lock them. Okay, all locked. I will get out. The other keys will not, or the other locks will not unlock. Oops. I accidentally pressed the handle locked. And we are locked. Well, let me go get my other key, and then we're going to test something else.